Next question we have, find the equation of parabola satisfy the given equation. In our NCERT exercise, we have only given the standard forms. Means we'll be having the equation of parabola in any of the standard form. Now if you see, focus is 6, 0, directrix x equal to -6. I will draw x-axis, y-axis. The focus is 6, 0, right? And directrix is x equal to -6. So you can say कि जो पैराबोला होगा that will be passing through horizon. Why passing through horizon? Because distance from focus is equal to distance from directrix. As the distance is 6, it is on the negative side 6. We will have this standard form. This is around x-axis, so we can say the equation of parabola that is towards x-axis means power of x is 1, y square equal to 4x or y square equal to -4x. Why positive 4x? Because positive side. If it is towards the negative side, we can write negative 4x. Now the question that can come in your mind, sir, why you have drawn towards positive side? Because parabola is always towards the focus. Focus is on the right hand side and directrix के side में opposite होता है, right? Open face नहीं होता है, right? Okay. Now focus is, as we know, a comma 0. So a we have 6, right? So we can say y square equal to 4 into 6 into x, y square equal to 24x, right? So this is the required equation. You can also find the equation of parabola by definition. Means, or you can solve by definition. Definition क्या होता है पैराबोला का? PS equal to PM. Distance from focus is equal to distance from directrix. Distance from focus, just take a random point. Extending the other method, if you let the point P x, y on the parabola, distance from focus is PS. You can apply distance formula, under root x minus 6 का whole square plus y minus 0 का whole square. PM point से line पे perpendicular distance. How to write the equation? You write same it is upon root 1 plus 0 root a square plus b square. When you will simplify this equation, you will get the same answer. So I hope this will be clear. Next question we have, focus 0, -3 and directrix y equal to 3. Focus 0, -3. Just open the table, formula table. Whenever you are solving the question, just put the formula table in front of you and just compare it. 0, -a. You will find 0, -a. The focus is on y-axis. 0, -3. Right? Focus is towards y-axis and below the x-axis. Right? Now the parabola will be downward, and the directrix is y equal to 3. Right? This point is 0, 3. Now you can easily say, so this is the equation of parabola, that is x square equal to -4ay. Now focus is 0, -a. So you can say, sir, here a is equal to 3. The main thing you need to find is a. Now focus a is 3, so you can write equation of parabola. At the very first thing that you need to identify is which type of parabola we are forming, that you can easily find by focus and directrix. Just read the formula table and compare it, right? If you remember it, that is very good. You should remember the formula table also. X square equal to -12y, and this is the answer. Next question, the information that is given to us is vertex and focus. If you talk about any of the parabola, either this or this or upward or downward, any of the parabola, distance of vertex from focus is always a. Distance of vertex from focus, it is always a. So what is the distance from vertex to the focus? You can say distance from vertex to the focus is 3. So you can say A is 3. Right, the first thing A you have find it. Now which parabola, which shape? I will draw the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis, first vertex. Now parabola is passing through origin 0 0. Every parabola passes through vertex. Now origin से pass हो रहा है and focus is 3, 0. Parabola always bends towards the focus and passing through vertex. So passing through vertex and towards the focus means you will be having this type of parabola. And equation of parabola towards x-axis, y square equal to 4ax. So we can simply say A is 3, y square equal to 4 into 3 into x, y square equal to 12x, and this is the answer. Now in the next question we have vertex 0 0 and focus is minus 2 0. This is the vertex, focus minus 2, 0. This is focus, this is vertex. Now parabola is passing, always pass through vertex and bends towards the focus. Bends towards the focus means we will have this parabola. Now this distance is what? 2 units. So we can say A equal to 2. Now what is the equation of a parabola that is bending towards x-axis is y square and negative side minus 4x, positive side plus 4x. So it is on negative side, so we can say minus 4x. Y square equal to minus 4 into 2 into x, y square equal to minus 8x, and this is the answer. Now in question number 11, the information that is given to you, the parabola is having vertex 0 0 passing through 2, 3 and axis along x-axis. So first I will draw x-axis, y-axis. Now it is along, देखो vertex is 0 0 along x-axis means on the right hand side or on the left hand side. Now you see that it is passing through 2, 3. If I draw any parabola on the left hand side, can it pass through 2, 3? No, because this 2, 3 lies on the first quadrant. So this is wrong. If I draw it on the left hand side, we'll have a parabola on the right hand side. Right? Why not upward? Why not downward? Because axis along x-axis and parabola always bends towards focus, bends towards axis. So this equation of this parabola is y square equal to 2x. Required equation y square equal to 4x. Now we don't know the value of a, but we know that parabola is passing through 2, 3. So x2 put karo, y3. 9, 8, 9 upon 8. So this 9 upon 8 equal to 8. So by equation number 1, y square equal to 4. A is what? 9 by 8. X 4 to the 8. So we can say y square equal to 9 by 2x, and this is the answer. Now the last question of this video is equation of parabola whose vertex is 0, 0 passing through 5, 2 and symmetric to y-axis. Right? Means we have a parabola. I am drawing the coordinates axis, x-axis and y-axis. Right? It is passing through the vertex 0, 0. So it is vertex 0, 0. Symmetric along y-axis. Now again the question, either upward or downward. But as it is passing through 5, 2, downward parabola cannot pass through 5, 2 because it is in the first quadrant. So we have to draw an upward parabola. Now it is passing through somehow 5, 2. Required equation will be what? Equation of parabola. X square equal to 4ay. Now it is passing through 5, 2. So we can say x, y, 5 square equal to 4 into 2 into 4 into y square, a is same, it is a is equal to 25 by 8. A is 25 by 8. So this is equation number 1. By equation number 1, x square equal to 4a, a is 25 by 8 into y, 4 to the 8, x square equal to 25 by 2y, and this is the answer. I hope all the questions are clear. There may be confusion that sir, why you are always taking a standard case, because the information that is given here are for standard case. In NCERT, in the equation we have only standard equations, right? Okay, and always remember these questions will be clear when the concepts are clear, formula table is clear. So if formula table video you have not watched the previous video, please watch it first and then watch this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.